Christopher Small here with Emerald City Law Group, and today I want to talk about a very special topic, a topic that we get asked about all the time. And that topic today is speeding ticket mitigation the right choice? Find out right now. One of the frequently asked questions we get here at Emerald City Law Group is if speeding ticket mitigation is the right choice. Today, I want to answer that question with an emphatic no. There's three reasons why speeding ticket mitigation is not the answer. It's easy for me to just tell you no without any explanation, right? But that's not how we do it here. I don't want to just tell you why it's a bad choice. I want you to know why it's a bad choice. And we're not just getting paid here. We're more than happy to hand out some free advice from time to time. And if you recall, what mitigation is basically there's three boxes that you can check on your ticket. One is for contested hearing, one is to admit the violation, and the other one is to mitigate. All right, and to mitigate basically just means you're asking the court to lower the fine. All right, there's three reasons why we don't want to do that. The first is that you still have to go to court. All right, this may or may not be a problem for you, but if I wasn't a traffic attorney, taking the time to go to court in the middle of the day to ask for a $50 discount on a ticket would be a colossal waste of time for me. For example, and it probably is for you too, and let me just put this into perspective. Let's say you make $20 an hour. You know, if it takes you an hour to get to court, an hour for court to take place, which is being conservative, it can sometimes take you 2 or 3 hours, and then an hour to get back to work, then you've already paid more than if you just paid the ticket, right? You've lost 3 or 4 hours of your work time that you had to give up, or 3 or 4 hours of your vacation time that you had to take. Factor in gas and the hassle, and you're losing way more by by mitigating the ticket than by not mitigating it. Number two, speeding ticket mitigation requires groveling, right? I don't know about you, but the last thing I want to do is get up in front of some judge and explain to them why I was driving too fast. And the worst thing is I probably have to come up with some lame excuse. There's nothing I hate more than having to tell someone I did something wrong that I don't think is wrong and then throw myself at their mercy. I don't think you should have to do that either. Number three, your car insurance is still affected. And this is probably the number one reason why speeding ticket mitigation is not the right choice. When you mitigate your ticket, you are admitting to speeding. When the judge reduces the fine, you are found to have been speeding. That information is then reported to the Department of Licensing, who then reports it to your insurance company, who then raises your rates. So this one speeding ticket, if you recall, can sometimes cost you up to like $1,000 of extra insurance rates over the course of 3 years. All right. Now, what should you do if you get a speeding ticket? I would say don't mitigate. The obvious answer is to call us for help. You can call us at 206-973-0407. We can answer your questions, learn about your situation, and help you decide what the best course of action is for you. At the end of the day, don't mitigate. There are better options. I hope you enjoyed this podcast. Once again, I'm Christopher Small with Emerald City Law Group. If you have any traffic ticket concerns or needs, please call us 206-973-0407. We'd love to help. Thanks.